which we found last time. Well, off stream, I'd killed and died myself. Died once again, but we've managed to find all but a few things, and I'm going to put all those things back on. Because let's get this birdie back home before we end up dying again. And it looks like Morningscape's got my shield there, unless it's still in the ocean bottom here. Because what happens, we turn the game off, went out a walk, and it, yeah, we had a bit of a problem. Right. Let's just head home and you can give us his stuff there. You have tried it, yeah. I heard you had tried it. We'll put that somewhere where either of us will use. Oh, you are correct. No one probably can hear you. Now they can. You should be able to hear him now, guys. Sorry about that. I keep forgetting to do that before we start. We're taking Birdie home past the ominous sheep.
The ominous sheep. What the sheep?
Ominous sheep.
Shup shup. Shup shup. Shup shup. Shup. Blip, 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 blip. Oh, that's the thing we need to do. Foxes.
Foxes. I got Foxo. I'll get him minty.
At this point, we might as well. Just capture every single pet we can in the game.
Of course.
We've got the hardest ones. No. Oh, chunks are not loading in.
No, right now I'm in nowhere land.
Same. We are floating. Look at the ground. See if there's any tunnels. Okay, never mind. Oh, look at tunnels and stuff. See if you can find it.
Oh, now it goes disappeared, and so am I.
Let's just stay on here until chunks load again.
Something underneath there. I think it's just water level.
Oh, it's loading in. You just have to. What is going on? Everything is breaking.
What have you done, Birdie?
What have you done?
Can't get there.
It should be called Quantum Bird.
Quantum Bird, that's what it's going to be called. Quantum. Quantum
Quantine.
Beak.
I think the dock is there, so.
Yeah, I think I just walked underneath it. Oh well. Well, we'll leave our boats in the abyss, shall we?
Should we just leave and then come back again?
Let me get me bird.
Everything is broken.
Come on.
Lovely. Very good.
Quantum Beak. That's what my bird's called.
You wanna put them in there?
Oh no. Bird is going in the birder. In the bird room.
We should make habitats for like all the things that we can't tame. Like the fox could have like the spruce forest kind of thing.
So yeah,
Because it
we've got
sleeps on the trees.
last time we got Birdie here. I think I'm gonna call him Quantum Beak. Quanto Beak? Quantum Beak. Yeah, but yeah, that's what's his name gonna be eventually when I get name tags and things. Do you mind? To get things like that, and I don't know where to put him. I think the best place would actually be right sitting there. How do I make him sit there? That's the question.
It's kind of hard because you have to like run, jump on something, and then crouch or something. It's weird. Quantum squat.
On the beak. Like in
Oh,
the new
from-
Spidey film. Quantum Beck. Which she'll never put in.
Rip.
Rip. I can't have quantum beat. Let's beat you up in the bedroom. Actually, no, I know where to place you. Place I never go. How do I get him to come off then? Just jump.
I didn't need that. Right. Jump and like crouch and stuff. It's weird. The way I do it is you jump and then you just crouch, like just try and jump over stuff or on stuff like
There
that.
he goes.
I'll sit him down. Yeah. Hello.
I feel bad leaving him.
Sit
Come
him.
on.
No.
There we go.
Oh, he fell off and then back on your shoulder. What enchantments does this have on it? Cool.
That's the book I got in the raid last time. Get off!
Get off me! What's this again? Flame power, mending, and punch. Okay. Good hang. No.
Get off me!
One. That's rubbish. There you go. Right.
There he goes. Oi, 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 oi. Don't hit him. No, 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 no. Get away from me. No. Yeah, roughly. Okay.
I'll push him.
I want him like up on there if I can. Yeah, there it is. Yay! Right.
That's it.
Quantum, you can watch your favourite films, listen to some good music. We're on another adventure because if you come with me, you're going to die. So, yeah. There's my little birdie. We need to find a blue one if we can.
Doing that thing. Weird. The banner.
Yeah, I
for
like
the
that.
guys.
Yeah, I like that. But can you put it on this wall here? Or maybe... No, put it on this wall here. This one.
Alright, okay.
And we're covering up glass. There we go. Remembrance of the raid from last time.
I have one of those things.
Oh, you know what? Because we left and
What?
come back again, I don't have that thing from the raid. A diamond.
What thing? Oh, I don't have it either. I think it runs out after the time.
Alright.
Slime!
Yeah, I forgot I had them.
Sorry, I don't know. I don't know why I got excited about slime. But yay, slime!
Because you can make pistons and all that with that.
Yeah, I can.
I have a shed
Don't know
load
why I
of
got excited.
stone. Right, I'm going to take as many seeds as possible to see if I can find myself blue.
Oh, we're gonna go back. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to go back and find another blue. We'll have a sleep first though.
I'm gonna
Can I
put all
have
my valuable
Can I
stuff
have my
away.
shield, please?
I put it on the armor stand downstairs in your kitchen. There's a wandering traveler in my basement. And I thought he gave me sponge for a second. I was like, oh, but then it's like, die please, thank you. Give me leads, thank you. You die too. Bye bye.
Yeah. Yellow and blue is my colours. More likely blue, and then like a dash of yellow. Not yellow with blue, but as you can see,
IKEA
I'm
bird
wearing...
has yellow and blue.
I know. But IKEA bird is not my bird. I am blue, as in Blute. And if you've ever seen my own creation of Blute Angel, he has blue skin, blue clothes, and yellow wings. If you want to check him out, you can do by coming over to my Instagram. Or if you want to watch me drawing live, you can go over to the YouTube channel, which there eventually will be links at the end. But if you're watching on YouTube, you already know where the links are because they're at the end.
I could put a jungle tree in here. Oh, that's so cute. He's hugging a tree.
Tree hugger.
I love these pandas. So cute.
Yeah, has anybody noticed what I'm wearing? Because last time we
Okay, what happened?
got kung fu. Is it Kung Fu and Panda Pop and Roly and Poly? Roly and Poly.
Yeah, Roly and Poly.
Roly and Poly. Roly and Poly and Pippity Poo. We got Kung Fu, Roly and Poly, Jack Black. Okay, yeah, you're Jack Black.
That's better.
And many others. They're all gained in one go, really, wasn't it? A file sweep. And there was one that was feeling a bit lonely and he came to say hello.
Trees.
Yes, I noticed you're growing trees.
I don't like this one though. It's too low.
Guess I'm doing a bit of...
He just didn't get in my way. I don't want to punch him. I'm planting it so I can get more saplings to the other side. Ooh, I have an idea.
While you're doing that, I'm going to go into the smelter with a bit of stone.
Ooh, I have an idea. You know the roof that you wanted to put on the thing? We should make it out of jungle leaves.
The thing?
Yeah, the thing on the pandas. You wanted to put a roof on it.
Yes. Let's
I want to
smelt some of this.
get some jungle trees.
We're to make some stone slabs. Don't need any of this stone here.
What the?
Just grey.
What?
wool.
Jungle leaves. They have little like coconuts or something in them.
Oh, you want to? Oh, yeah, you want to use leaves, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you've got a.
I got 36. I got 36 pieces of it. So, yee. Ah, Roly and Poly. Oh, it still sits on its back. Oh.
No, yeah, he does. He grew up and he still does. He wants a belly rub. All right, mate, I'm coming in for a belly rub. Okay, oh, belly rub. Oh, belly, belly. Oh, belly. Oh, you. Belly. I rub a belly. Oh, you're so cute. Oh,
Here you go. You can have your trident. Whatever. Or trident, sire.
Oh, thank you. Master of the sea!
You throw it in here, hit them, I kill you.
I'm throwing it then, am I? What am I doing that for? Probably won't even use it.
It just looks cool.
If the boats have spawned back in properly. No, let's not do that. Let's go to bed first. We'll die.
I'm fighting things already. Zombies.
I stole it. No.
What?
Hello.
Don't do it. Don't do
I'm going to
it.
bed. I'm going to bed. Oh, what? No, I better not. Fucking dog would turn at me, wouldn't it?
Yeah, biscuit got me. I heard a did a chicken come out of it?
Maybe.
Oh, Polly, I will always remember you.
Time to sleep. Sleep. And I'll get I'm alright, I'm awake. You're welcome.
Wait a minute.
Right, we're going on an adventure. I've got very little armour.
That's fine. We should just bring beds.
Hell no!
Why?
There's no spare bed.
I have a spare bed here, and at the jungle bit there's a bed I put down. So yeah, I got beds.
Yeah, but you've got to be able to find it first.
It's at the first island you see before you can get into the thing. But first I'm gonna make this shelter for these pandas. Right, okay. I just threw them at you. I have jungle wood. That's
Oh,
cool.
you got wood, I've got-
Pinkish kind of thing. I got jungle wood. It's pink and stuff. Look at these leaves as well. They look weird. But like, look at those. They look odd. They have little bits in them.
Hmm.
Chickens, what have I said? Stop laying eggs. Bah! Bah!
Aren't we gonna have to attach the jungle leaves to something though, like wood? Before despawn.
Gonna make some of these then, eh? We only need like 2. So, boom, boom. Where'd you go?
I'm following you around.
Alright, okay. Could you put like the, okay. Can I have the ladders? Thank you. Right, I need to get rid of that. I need to get this. I need to do this.
Nice try. What are you What are you doing?
How tall are those?
3. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think they disappear if they're placed by a player.
Uh-huh.
Just in case, I'll put that in there. Like, boop. Okay. Right, put that in there.
Hang on. If you're gonna do that.
Make it even, right?
Yes. No,
Don't know why.
that's fine,
Don't know
It's
why
fine.
that-
Leave it there, leave it. And then go 3 in 3. 1, 2, 3. And you get like a strip of wood run across. I'm glad you listened to me when I asked you to build properly. Ah, it does my head in the way you build, bud. You've not even done it. Look.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Well, look what you've done. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And then go to the other side. 1, 2, 3. I can't get rid of it because I'll get rid of the leaf altogether.
I'll go get some more. I just need like a couple of saplings.
What have I got in my hand, by the way? Got jungle leaves.
Huh? Yeah.
Just got 'em.
2 of them.
Ah,
Oh my god.
dead! Die already.
God. There you go.
Ow! Thank you.
Ow. Stabbed myself.
They say you got some more wood. I got no food.
I got like,
No, I'm alright, dude.
ah, crap. Give you my food. Whatever. Oh, I love it.
What are you? Right, go 1, 2, 3 because this is going to bug the living crap out of me. Across to the other side.
Where?
Right, 1, 2, 3 here.
Okay, okay, there, right?
Yes.
Here, I'm here.
Yes.
What next?
Yes. No, on it.
Yes,
So
I'm on
one,
it.
two- one, two- yeah, the one you're standing on.
Mm.
Dig it out. put a bit of wood there because it's gonna bug the crap out of me out. Thank you. I'll do it then.
Yeah. Sideways.
Yes, I'll get it, so I get it. Wow, that worked. There we go.
Oh, right. I see what you mean now. Okay, right.
Yes. I can't stand the way you build. You just put it freaking anywhere you fancy.
I thought it was in the middle. It really was not.
No, it wasn't.
Why are these disappearing? Like, boom, right.
What's
Boom.
disappearing?
Every time I place it, it glitches out and gives me the block back.
I'll do it again.
You don't need
Go.
many on it.
No.
Boom, that's all I have. Wait a minute.
So you got?
So. Oh, it's gonna bug me.
Use
Is it
leave
growing
that
out of that
bamboo
one?
there. It's like a structure holding it up. Stop rolling
Could
around.
you scaffold
Stop, show it off.
Don't
You
tell him to stop rolling around, it's cute.
Where's the one that lays on his back? There he is. Oh, Betty Bob! Oh, Betty, Betty, Betty! Oh, give you Betty Bob! Oh, you Betty Bob, Betty, Betty, Betty! Kinda looks cool.
That kind of looks cool.
Right, should we go and find that other bird then? See if we can find a blue one.
Yeah, why not?
Or should we leave and come back because of the spawning issue? Because it's still doing it.
Yes, we should, like, get near it. But not on it, right? Here. And then I'm gonna leave it. And then we can come back in.
Okay. So yeah, guys, as you probably noticed, my face is back on screen, so you can see my ugly mug. Once again, we had problems with mixer permissions and things like that, but we've sorted all of that out now. Mixer's giving me permission once again to have my camera here. Since the new update and the new rules and regulations that they've set, you have to go over to your Mixer streams. You have to go to the actual Mixer website where you not the website but the actual page, watching it via the internet sort of thing, not with your app on your phone, not with your Xbox itself. You can do it through your Xbox, but it's a real pain in the ass. So the best thing to do is get your laptop, get your PC up, and get the Mixer app open on that. Go to your broadcast, and from there it should be sort of self-explanatory. But if you guys do need some help with that, ask me, and I will give you some information either over on Instagram, or if you are watching live, I can chat to you now and tell you how to do it. Pretty much I already have, but yeah. We have had sorts of problems, but yeah, back again. Everything's hunky-dory. Well, as much as possible.
Everything's back and better.
Back to the way it should be. Hopefully.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's spawned everything in.
Yeah, you're all good.
Yeah.
I am returning to Pandanobia. Pandanobia.
Panda Hua?
Pandamonia.
That's not
What I called
annoying.
this stream,
at all.
actually. What did I call this stream? Do you remember? Someone to boot birdie?
Panda Boys or something.
No, that
Oh,
was the
Bird
last one.
Turns or something. Bird something.
Yeah, I was going to do the birds. We best go do some birdie things. I don't know what to do with these things you keep giving me. You keep giving me stuff. And
What
I don't do
things?
them. Please.
All right. I was just telling you that they look like they have things on them.
We're gonna
I
have
need
sleep
this to
before we
be
head out.
even.
Okay.
Then, does it have a middle?
Sort of.
No, it doesn't. It's like a 2x2, so I'm not gonna put on there. Okay. That's nice. So if it rains, they can go under that.
Okay, got ya. It's good news. You roly
I have a
poly
s-
poly oly.
I think I need to
then we're
put
going
like
on
a.
another adventure to find the birdie birds. Go away, creeper! I'm so glad I was running then.
Kill him. I have no.
No, I would have tried to kill it and he would have blew up before I had a chance to.
Alright, he's dead now.
I'm dead now. Yeah, I'm dead now.
I should place my cats all over the place so people.
Gone very quiet.
Is it?
Yeah, you've
Wait,
gone very
so-
quiet. Don't say my bloody earphones are not working again.
Have I?
No, I think I just unplugged it a little bit. Right, daytime.
Why have all my paintings have fallen off my wall? And it's annoying, because I just had the Mona Lisa again. Damn it! There we go, unicorn piggy.
Unipig.
Hello. I don't know why I still have that there, but
Have what? Where?
the dead coral. But whatever.
Yeah, I have no idea what the hell you're talking about.
Dead coral. You know the coral, at the bottom of the ocean. I tried to mine some, and then it just died.
Oh, are you in holes?
Ah!
Just come on round the back here and fill up all the holes. Yep.
That sounds weird.
Sounded very weird. To the boats. Here's the boat. That's where we left him.
It was like half in the thing. We went round the dog.
I don't know.
How do we? You know what we tried to budge into this whole time?
Out there.
This thing.
Yeah. Obelisk.
Probably. Dish, dish, dish.
The obelisk. Alright, this way, wouldn't it? For the birds.
Yeah.
To the birdie bird.
For the birds.
I don't have any seeds.
Oh,
I said you have a...
Don't talk about
What? I have seeds.
it. Yeah, no, don't talk about it. No Ben still. I'm getting those. I'm getting it. I'm getting those levels. See you later, boys.
Just because I have 11 seeds, you didn't have to be jealous, Christ.
Yeah, I'm going home now. Oops. Wait. Wait.
I'm going home now. Past the mysterious sheep.
The ominous.
Ah,
Hey, got it. The ominous sheep. He comes with us.
Alright, I guess he's coming with us then.
You shall come with us to lead us the way to the blue
You know what?
bird. Kill him.
You know what, there you go.
You must die. He's pink.
No.
The ominous sheep is pink.
Yes, he is now pink.
He pink.
Static, ow. My mic moved slightly. Ow, my ears. Anyway, where's that thing I was doing? Okay, it's over here. The swamp biome's over there, so it's over there. Okie dokie. Icky sleeky meeky.
Pinky, 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 pinky.
Get back in the boat. Right. Get in the boat.
Get in the boat! Hi, dolphin friend. How do you make a conduit, or do you find them?
You need a heart of the sea,
What's that?
and you need 8 chorus shells.
Okay. Thinking of putting one in the world is all. I want to build an underwater base. Of some sort. Yeah. It's gonna be It's gonna be attached to my treehouse. You know, the little area I was building.
Okay,
Creeper!
sheep. I'm gonna have to leave you here. Sorry, bro.
Sheep. You must leave. No.
Alright, bye, sheep.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm going to kill you because else you'll try and find us. Come on. Come on. That's it. Come to your doom. My kill. Spider. Spider. Not man.
Just spider. Just spider.
Okay, so seeds on me. I do. Put my seeds ready. Got to get me a bluebird. Hey there, Mr. Bluebird.
Polly, is that you? It's you!
Oh, freaking hell, look at that. Finds a parrot straight off.
Polly!
That ain't
It's the
Polly,
one
you
who
killed
died,
your
but-
Polly.
Shut up.
Polly
Polly
died.
2.0.
What, 2.1?
2. Point. Yeah, no, wait, yeah, wait, no, no, no.
1.1. Hey there, Mr. Bluebird, where are you today? There's lava.
lava.
Why is there lava here? I'm gonna cover that shit up.
And I'm gonna get my bird. There's another one!
What?
Over there.
What?
Polly 2.15. Hello.
Oh, I like that one. Come here, you. Hey, wait. I thought it was a bluebird there. Hey! Hey! Get
He
here!
likes me.
Hey, get here! Yay! Friends! It's Bluebird! No, it's not. It's, what should I
Parrot.
call you?
Parrot.
No, I'm gonna call him Pert. Pert.
Instead of Kurt.
No, it's me,
Mine,
Pert.
mine.
Got me Pert.
Well, I'm gonna call mine Kurt then.
Kurt and Pert. Come on, the bird. Pert, pert. Pert, pert.
Is that another one? Is that a bird? Is that a bird? No, it's a fowl.
Pert, pert. He fell off. Come on. Get on. That's me, bird. Go on.
Okay,
Okay, I can't move quickly.
being careful. Hello.
Looking for a birdie, 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 bird.
Hello, sheep. There's lots of sheep. I'm gonna get some bamboo for our pandas. Because I can.
Okay.
Thank you. Right.
Where, if anywhere, would I find a bluebird?
In the place you are looking. Hello. Hello. Don't lose me, please. I don't want to have to try and find you again. And I've lost him. Alright.
I'm not far. Or was that your bird you're talking about?
Oh yeah, there. That's fine.
I'm only here. He
Hello. Where's your bird gone?
keeps falling.
Oh, there he is. Mine's
Yep.
clingy. You won't get off me.
Mine knows that if he stays with me for too long, he'll die. Then yeah.
Yeah. He's he's not wrong.
Nope, he ain't wrong.
And if you have 2 parrots to go on each shoulder, and it's very cute.
I know, that's what I'm aiming to do. Get on me bloody shoulder, bird. Oh, I'm just gonna go off, you'll find me. Right.
That's mean.
You'll find me.
Oh no, come here.
No, he's
Come
following
back,
me
come
now.
back, come back.
That's a big tree. Good bird. Right. I found myself a bluebird.
Very big bird. My batteries are very low. That's not good.
Yeah, might want to get some batteries then, because you're going to die. Like I did. No, it's not what I'm doing. You're broadcasting Rocket League?
No, I'm not.
It's because you're not
It
official member
lies.
yet. It's because you're not official member yet, and the first thing you ever did will stay there until you finish streaming. I mean, until you've got
because
like
I'm
a
not an
level.
official
What level were
member.
you were actually? 90 something.
41.
Yeah, until you get a bit higher, you'll have the same ones. Do you ever change your stream title? Because if you don't change your stream title, then the game doesn't know to do it.
Okay. I should have brung shears, but I didn't.
You're not included in the because you've started your own.
I know, I've ticked the box again. It's fine.
Okay. Come on, Birdie. Oh,
Uh oh, this
okay.
is where I got deeper.
It's getting dark.
And guess who didn't bring a bed? You.
You didn't.
I bring a
you
bed.
basically. No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Ooh, look at this.
I have evidence.
This is a cool little place.
Is that another? No, I thought I saw a bird. Never mind.
Ah, but look at this place. This is awesome.
This is cool.
Okay, hello. Oh, Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. You're not on my shoulder yet.
Should we go to the other place? Whoa. I hear a skeleton.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I also hear a trident.
Yeah, I do. Good job you got off, Birdie. That's right, motherfunky.
The parrot like
Ah.
copies the mobs. That's why it's near a creeper it goes tss. It's really annoying.
Yeah, it's warning you though, isn't it?
Yeah, but after a while it's just
Oh look, I found a cave, but you it's safe in there. Uh-oh, on the way, on the way, on the way. On the way.
Boy, you better kill them.
You're safe, hurry up. Oh, mate, the drowned got you. You drowned. And that, children, is why we never stay out at night. I'll wait here until you somehow find me again. These batteries run out of controller.
At least my bird came back. He's sitting there safe.
Oh, he's at home with you, is he? Do you want me to
Yeah,
collect up this
he just
stuff, or
teleports
do you want
me.
me to leave it floating?
Just get it because it might despawn. I don't want that.
No.
And I have
Why
decent
the hell
stuff
did
on
you
me.
bring gold with you?
Things have a
Yeah, why are you bringing stuff with you? Just bring the essentials.
because. Oh my god! Listen to me.
Come on, we'll head back. I think. You stay there, bud. I'll head back.
Thank you. I don't like it.
I don't really want to
Be careful, you got everything, alright? Because I got important stuff.
Yeah, I got you. Anyway. Come on, get back on.
Hey,
stupid.
pandas. Hey, guys. You're very cute. Yes, I
Remember
know.
the boats.
Pretty sure I picked one up.
Will you stop getting off me bloody shoulder, bird?
Uh oh.
What do you mean, uh-oh? Don't say uh-oh.
Never mind, it was good. I thought a panda nearly just backflipped out of the pen. This is fine. It did a backflip, then popped a baby out of it.
Well,
Panda,
Louis,
don't move.
I'm gonna have to find you another
No!
bed.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Where's my bluebird on my shoulder? I can't friggin' remember where the boats are. This way, I believe.
They're gonna be at the shore somewhere.
Yeah,
I mean, like, Brit.
it's taking the same path we took.
Wait, you don't need to follow me. It's kind of weird. Oh, the baby does front flips!
Just like his dad.
Ow! You.
Why is it Pennyworth?
Who hit me? Who bit my butt? Wait. Was it you? Was it you? Was it you?
Oh, so cute.
It's got a smiley face. They have a sad face.
Oh, no,
Oh.
you don't.
Sad face. And sad face. Oh, cute face. Cute but sad
Nice
face.
try, you.
Don't get cocky.
Okay, there's a black sheep. Not a pink sheep.
You found the books yet?
I think I found the boats over here. Boats, 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 I need to bloody go home. Yes, I found the boats.
Okay, just don't interfere with anything. Just get straight home. I need my stuff. It's very important.
Yes, of course. There's 3 boats here. And pink sheep.
Probably.
I'm bringing pink sheep home with me, so...
Alright, bring the sheep home.
Yeah, we don't need bones.
Did you just say, oh, we don't need his bones?
No.
Poor sheep. Wait, which one is this? Looting here. Okay.
Come on, Bluey. I guess what I'm gonna call you. Parrot. Parrot. Parrot? No.
Kurt.
Oh,
Kurt.
okay.
Hello. What have you done?
No attack, chill.
I'm worried for my stuff. I don't care about you. I need my stuff. Right. Light in here. Boom. And then boom. And that looks nice.
Right, I've had enough now. I'm getting... Homeward bound! I'm bringing Pinko. Pinko coming home. The ominous sheep. Pinko, the ominous sheep.
Oh, it's upside down. It's so cute. I love these pandas. I thought that skeleton horse was a creeper. Scared noises.
Sort of remembering places now. Warns me when I'm near danger.
I know, it's annoying, isn't it?
No, very handy.
Next minute dies. God damn it. I have stacks upon stacks of bamboo. Why? I don't know.
I think I'm bloody
Bamboo
lost
for everybody.
once again, 'cause I'm thinking I don't know where I'm going, but if I just go this way, then I'm not.
Oh, it's so cute.
I'm going this way, 'cause this way is where the harbor is.
Yay, we have another cute face one. Panda farm.
Panda farming.
It's so cute.
I'm gonna leave ominous sheep in the boat.
Yeah, they're in the back. Oh
that-
my god.
Is that you, bird, or is that zombie over there?
See? It's annoying. Come up to the pandas. Look at this.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Come on, dum dum.
Who you calling dum dum? Dum
The
dum.
bird, it keeps trying to drown itself.
Alright.
Come on. That's me, bird. Hey, panda buddies.
Oh, I don't have a sword. Okay, he was easier to kill than I thought it would be. Okay,
Lost yours. Time to kill this one.
Huh?
I think.
Shut up. Kurt, come this way.
You still on me? Hurt.
Biscuit,
Hurt.
you need to give Biscuit some company. Poor Biscuit.
I'm gonna put you in airport. Alright? I'll put you in airport. Get off me.
Kurt,
Hurt, get off. Hurt, get off. Hurt! Get thank you. You need to come over here, Pert. You're gonna sit next to the speaker. Right on. You sit next to the speaker and you keep Brandon Lee. No. Burden Lee. Burden Lee and we got Burden oh wait, it's Quentin Beak, wouldn't it? Quentin Beak.
Yeah, quantum. It's quantum.
Quantum Beak and Bert. Bert, correct. Oh god, I can't even say my own names. I'm going to bed. No, I'm not. I'm gonna give you shit back first.
Kurt.
Stuff, I mean, your stuff. Sorry,
K-E-R-T.
for breaking your rules.
Kurt.
Okay, so this
Swords,
is
gimme.
yours.
Armor, gimme.
Where's yours? That was yours. That was yours. You also need that one. That one is yours. That one is yours. That one's yours. That one is probably mine. That one is yours.
Hey, I had the wood.
That one is yours. Gold is mine, but I'll give it back to you. And then you can have that. And then you can have this. And you can have that one. And you can have your shield. And you can have your bone meal. Your thingin'. And I think that was pretty much all yours.
Cool. Can I kill you to make sure? I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Kill me, and I leave the
I'm
game.
joking. Oh, turn around! You wanna go?
Your tower is crap. Ha ha ha. My tower is much better.
So I need to show me where home is. Anyway,
I'm joking with you, you fool.
I need to do some sorting and stuff.
There's some
Right.
sort of light up there, do you reckon?
I don't go up there. I don't see what the point is.
Wouldn't it glow in the distance?
No. Too far away for anything to happen. Selling all my crap out.
Well, it was night. Oh, I'm gonna admire my birds.
I need to name mine. Where is it? It's name tag. Where's Kurt? There it is. Right.
Can you make name tags? Or is it something
I've
you
got
gotta
two
find?
name. Boom.
Yeah, I
It's
know,
something you
but I
gotta find.
Okay.
I can fish them really easily.
Yeah. Well, considering it's coming up to 6:30 in the evening, guys, I am once again, going to say good. Thank you very much to Morningscape for letting me come into his coming into his world. Yeah, so let me come into his world and help him out getting those pandas. We've also got finally got me some birds in this world. That means I know where to find them, and I'll be finding them in my world, my personal world, where Blute Angel lives. If you want to find that out, we've got to find some birds because Blue Angel has wings of his own, or Elytra. As you've seen me draw in pictures, many pictures. If you want to go and check them out again, go over to YouTube, find me over there, Blute084, BLUT084. Unless you're watching already on YouTube, then click the links that will appear at the end. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.